This video will show you how to set for VCA function from MyE, including object abandoned, object missing, on-duty detection, running. In VCA, we select the behavior analysis, and then we set the detail for this rule. Draw the detection area. When some object were abandoned in this area will trigger the alarm. Set the effective time. Set the linkage action. Click there will show you the VCA rule. Just like this green rectangle. Now try to test the effect. The lower right corner will display how many times this rule had been triggered. Create a new rule ID for it. Draw the detection area. When some object losing in this area will trigger the alarm. Now try to test the effect. In VCA, we select the on-duty detection. Set how long the absence will trigger an alarm. Draw an area where an employee should be on duty. We have set up a roche second off-duty trigger alarm. So when it is detected that there is no one here for more than roche seconds, the alarm will be triggered. Edit and speed up this waiting time. An alarm is triggered when no one is on duty for more than roche seconds. In VCA, we select the behavior analysis. Draw your detection area. Running is prohibited in our office. Here is an actual test example of ours.